my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Grishma Shri Education and Activities. In this video, we'll be exploring about vegetative propagation seen in stems focusing on tubers. Now let's get started. For this, we require a tuber like potato. You can see the potato produces some nodes in its outer surface which produce eyes which produce buds which are called as eyes. Now have a look. You can see some nodes here. We can observe that the nodes will be overall over this potato. Here are some few. Now let's observe some other one which has buds or already produced eyes. You can see in this node some eyes were produced. Here, 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 here and here. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to cut one of this eye from the potato and place it in the soil and observe whether it will propagate or not. Or if it propagate, how it will. So for this we require the potato which has buds or eyes on it and a chalk. Then we need pots with soil. Now cut one of the eye. Now, take care of this plant for over 1 week and observe its changes. So, you can observe after 1 week, one plant has weakened from this. You can see how the roots have generated here. Have a look. So, this is a 3 weeks plant. You can observe that the plant which we have shown before have grown. So, you can identify the changes right over here. Have a look. So friends, this is 1 month plant and you can observe changes right over here and take a look. So friends, now let us observe its roots. But please make sure that you shouldn't damage the roots. You can observe its network. These are the adventitious roots which are being produced from these eyes. So friends, this is the one which we have sown. This plant which has grown for one week and this one is for 3 weeks. This one is for 1 month plant. So have a look of all these 4 stages. So friends, as we have learned tubers in this video, we will be learning bulbs in the next or upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.